Hey there, home and garden enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you find this video helpful. Today, we're diving into a topic that's perfect for those warm, sunny days and cozy evenings spent outdoors. We're talking about patio tables. Whether you're a seasoned patio decorator or just getting started, we've got 7 crucial things you should know about patio tables. So, grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's get started. Number 1, material matters. First up, let's talk about the materials. The material of your patio table is crucial because it affects durability, maintenance, and the overall aesthetic of your outdoor space. Wood. Wooden patio tables are a classic choice and can bring a rustic, natural feel to your patio. Woods like teak, cedar, and eucalyptus are popular because they're durable and resistant to insects and rot. However, wooden tables require regular maintenance, like sealing and staining, to keep them looking fresh and to prevent weather damage. Metal. Metal patio tables, such as those made from aluminum, steel, or wrought iron, are known for their durability and sleek, modern look. Aluminum is lightweight and resistant to rust, making it ideal for wet climates. Wrought iron is heavier and more traditional but may require a bit more care to prevent rusting. Plastic/resin. If you're looking for something lightweight, affordable, and low maintenance, plastic or resin tables might be your go-to. They come in various styles and colors, are easy to clean, and can withstand different weather conditions. However, they might not offer the same level of elegance or durability as wood or metal. Glass. Glass-topped patio tables add a touch of elegance and can make your space look larger. They're easy to clean but can be fragile and may not be the best choice if you have active kids or pets. Look for tempered glass for added safety. Number 2, size and shape. Next, consider the size and shape of your patio table. This will depend on the size of your outdoor space and how you plan to use the table. Round tables. Round tables are great for smaller spaces and create a cozy, intimate setting. They facilitate easy conversation since everyone can see each other. However, they might not offer as much surface area for larger gatherings. Rectangular tables. Rectangular tables are ideal for bigger families or if you often host outdoor dinners. They provide ample space for serving food and can accommodate more guests. Just make sure you have enough room on your patio to walk around comfortably. Square tables. Square tables can work well in both small and large spaces. They offer a modern look and can be a great option for casual dining or a game night with friends. Oval tables. Oval tables combine the best of both round and rectangular tables. They can fit into narrower spaces while still offering plenty of seating. When choosing the size, think about how many people you typically entertain and ensure there's enough room for chairs and to move around. Number 3, functionality and features. Your patio table can be more than just a place to eat. Consider functionality and additional features that can enhance your outdoor experience. Umbrella hole. If your patio doesn't have a covered area, an umbrella hole in your table can be a lifesaver on hot sunny days. Make sure the table is sturdy enough to support the umbrella, especially if you live in a windy area. Expandable tables. Expandable or extendable tables offer flexibility. They can be compact for everyday use and extended for larger gatherings. This is a great option if you have limited space but occasionally need more seating. Storage. Some patio tables come with built-in storage options, like shelves or drawers, which can be handy for keeping utensils, napkins, or other essentials close by. Adjustable height. Adjustable height tables can be a versatile addition to your patio. You can use them as a dining table, a coffee table, or even a bar table, depending on your needs. Number 4, maintenance and care. To keep your patio table looking great for years to come, you need to know how to maintain it properly. Cleaning. Regular cleaning is essential. For wooden tables, use a mild soap and water solution, and avoid harsh chemicals that can strip the wood. For metal tables, a simple wipe down with a damp cloth will usually suffice. Glass tables can be cleaned with a standard glass cleaner, while plastic tables can be washed with soap and water. Protective covering. Invest in a good quality cover for your table. This will protect it from the elements, especially during the off-season or harsh weather conditions. A cover can prevent fading, rusting, and other types of damage. Seasonal care. Consider the climate in your area. In colder climates, it's a good idea to store your table indoors during winter to prevent damage from snow and ice. In hotter climates, frequent cleaning and shading can prevent sun damage. Number 5. Style and aesthetics. Your patio table should complement the overall style and aesthetic of your outdoor space. Coordinating with furniture. Make sure your patio table matches or complements your existing outdoor furniture. Consistent styles and colors can create a cohesive look. For example, if you have modern, minimalist furniture, a sleek metal or glass table would be a good fit. For a more rustic look, a wooden table might be better. Decorative elements. Add some decorative elements to your table to enhance its look. This could include a beautiful tablecloth, a centerpiece with flowers or candles, or some stylish placemats. These small touches can make a big difference in creating an inviting atmosphere. Lighting. Consider the lighting around your patio table. String lights, lanterns, or even built-in LED lights in the table can add a magical touch to your evenings. Proper lighting not only enhances the ambience but also makes your patio safer and more functional after dark. Number 6. Budget considerations. Your budget will play a significant role in your choice of patio table. Here's how to make the most of your money. Investment pieces. If you're looking for a long-term investment, it might be worth spending a bit more on a high-quality table that will last for years. Materials like teak, wrought iron, or high-grade aluminum might come with a higher price tag, but their durability can make them a cost-effective choice in the long run. Budget-friendly options. If you're on a tighter budget, there are still plenty of good options available. Resin or plastic tables can be very affordable and come in a variety of styles. You might also consider second-hand or clearance sales where you can find high-quality pieces at a fraction of the price. DIY options. For those who are handy, building your own patio table can be a fun and cost-effective project. There are plenty of DIY plans available online, and you can customize the table to perfectly fit your space and style. Number 7. Environmental impact. Last but not least, consider the environmental impact of your patio table. Sustainable materials. Look for tables made from sustainable materials. Certified wood, recycled metal, or eco-friendly plastics can help reduce your environmental footprint. Bamboo is another sustainable option that's both durable and stylish. Longevity and durability. Choosing a durable table that lasts longer means fewer replacements and less waste. Investing in a high-quality piece might cost more upfront but can be more environmentally friendly in the long run. Eco-friendly brands. Support brands that prioritize sustainability. Many companies are now focusing on environmentally friendly practices, from sourcing materials to manufacturing processes. And there you have it, 7 things you should know about patio tables. We hope this guide helps you make an informed decision and inspires you to create a beautiful and functional outdoor space. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and ideas on home and garden living. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy decorating!